Okay, what's up, everybody? So this is the Robot Master Design Contest. We have not talked about this yet on the channel, so I wanted to look at the submissions that made it around to a voting, kind of talk about them, see which ones I like, see which ones I dislike, whatever. Talk about it for a little bit, chat, you know, see what's going on. So here are. This is the Robot Master Design Contest. Is now open. This is kind of their announcements. Here are the 6 winning designs. These are the 6 Robot Master designs that have advanced past the second round of judging. Okay, so first we have Cleanser Man. Cleanser Man. I'm not gonna lie, I don't. Is this was oh okay? It's based off of like a toothbrush and like just cleaning in general, but I see the toothbrush motif there. Okay, a little bit of a flat like flower head toothpaste esque design on the head. I don't. There's soap. I genuinely I don't know how I feel about this. This to me does not evoke robot master, like Mega Man boss robot master. I don't really know what you would do as far as like the fight goes. Um, so yeah, I don't. I see what they're wanting, but I don't really know how we go to that from. And then like what's the purpose of this robot from an industrial standpoint? Obviously to clean, but why so over the top? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I just like it's neat, it's really good artwork, but it's not what I envisioned when I was thinking Robot Master. I would have liked to see it kind of go a little bit more into the classic design motifs and whatnot of Robot Masters. So there's Cleanser Man. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan. Um, Here we have Sweeper Woman going also in kind of a cleaning thing, but going from a vacuum cleaner aspect, using the suction hand thought for vacuum cleaner. I don't mind it. I just feel like there's like I don't mind it. I like the maid outfit into the like vacuum. The arm posture even looks very similar to like just somebody holding a vacuum. It's a very neat design. It does fall a little bit more into that like classic boss motif in my opinion. It's interesting. I see how it also like being a maid like fits in the industrial production aspect. Like this is a cleaning robot that is, it could be for household cleaning, it could be for in like commercial cleaning, whatever, but it still fits within that like it was designed for an industrial purpose. I like it. I think it's neat. I still like, what are you just gonna vacuum things up and then shoot them out to attack Mega Man? Like what's the boss fight gonna be like? I just can't imagine like an immediate boss fight from this design. So I would like to see what they do with it. I like it. It's not amazing from a like just I can't gather what we would do from a boss standpoint, and that's really what's keeping me from immediately jumping onto it. Next up, we have Recycle Man. They really liked taking this clean aspect. Really like taking this clean aspect. So this has a lot of classic Mega Man like boss design. Absorb Mega Man attacks and throws it back, but stronger. Okay, so I like how they have an aspect, and it's recycling Mega Man's attacks, and then producing something stronger from it, so it fits the recycling motif. His arm can stretch and contract, so that fits the stretchy arm that they wanted. Cossack Robot Lab, Dr. Wily. The torso, it's a container, and on the back it shows more. Okay, the side view. Very happy with his work. I like this one. I like this one a lot. The color scheme is nice. And some of this is just artistry, like art style versus this is very fits very in with classic Mega Man artwork in my opinion. This is really good. I like this a lot. So, yeah, this is my vote so far of which one goes in. I do like that they Dustman reference for the front. Okay. Yeah. I like this a lot. I think this is really good. It fits into Mega Man very well. You can see how it could be an industrial robot that's then, you know, made for evil. So I like that. Okay, here we have Cactus Man. Desert rescue robot made to survive any desolate environment. Equipped with a spiked robot whip, he can use it to absorb elements from his surroundings, changing his form and abilities temporarily. His boss arena will fill with either water or sand depending how you play it, changing which form he will take during the fight. That's an interesting idea. That also kind of feels like it's fitting with the dual override theme a little bit. That's at least the title. We don't 100% know what dual override means yet, but it does seem like it's fitting with that two variations. I like that a lot. Water causes his flowers to bloom, giving access to water jet attacks. So we have a straightforward like lobbed attack and then a mega blast. And then sand dries him out, making his needle abilities more powerful. So then you have like the cannonball, or not the cannonball, but the Morningstar esque, flail esque aspect. I like this a lot. I like how they focus on cacti as a whole. So you've got the flowering parts of a cacti and then the spikes of a cacti, the dual, aspect of it, the one or another. This is really good. This is very, very good. I'm a very big fan of how this one is laid out. I like the general design aspect. I like how they decided on the water versus sand. And that I'm assuming it's going to be how you play it means how you play the level. I like that a lot. I am a big fan of Cactus Man. I don't know how it fits within industrial aspects. That is the only thing that's also getting me is why was this robot made? Oh, desert rescue robot made to survive any desolate environment. Okay, so it's a rescue robot. Um so it's able to attack if it needs to, and then also provide water and whatnot if it needs to as well. Okay, I can see that. It's good. It's not the most sound design for like rescue robot aspect, but it is very good. This is pretty cool. I like Cactus Man. So then we have Juggle Man. Vacuum system is designed not only to let him juggle through both arms, but through his neck as well. Torso window is transparent. Airman technology powering the central vacuum engine. Hands modeled after Quickman indicates required dexterity. Interesting. I like how they're putting in these little design aspects to show the character off. I also like this angle that they have here. This angle specifically for this shot, that's a really good piece of artwork. Head can fire at Mega Man while being juggled. Okay. Gust hand fire balls out. Vacuum hand recovers and redirects them. Vacuum can be reversed to alternate which hand does which. Okay. I like that too. A little bit more into that dual override aspect, one or the other. Cut ball, punk ball, push ball, cut ball, push ball, zap ball. Okay, so he's three different balls that he's juggling plus his head. I like this. This is also a really good design. I like this a lot. I'm assuming this would be like a circus like entertainer robot from an industry standpoint. I don't know what else it could do from an industry standpoint. But also the vacuums kind of play into it a little bit. There's a lot of I mean, I know they wanted hands that like extended and contrasted and like vacuumed up a little bit in a way, like sucked things up. But this is the way everyone's going vacuum, vacuum, vacuum is very interesting to me. I like it. This is a really cool one. I still think Cactus Man beats it out, but I would love to see this because it also looks like a bigger Robot Master. And like it needs to be a bigger Robot Master, which is fun because you don't really think of the bigger and the dexterous at the same time. So this is a really fun design. I like this. I think, yeah, I wouldn't be mad at this getting in. Then we have our last design, Valve Man. Valve Man is the leader of the Advanced Firefighter and Rescue Robot Unit. His main weapons are the high-pressure water cannon on his helmet, with multiple firing modes, and his arm allowed direct connection to hydrants or external water sources. He's got a retractable fire hose arm that can plug into fire hydrant. Hose arm can extend to grab environment for mobility or distant target. There's his firefighting unit. High-pressure water cannon from the helmet. Fire axe arm. Axe can be thrown for long range attack. Okay. Beam shot. Wide shot. Projectile shot. A Valve Met. That's sick. That is incredibly sick. I like that a lot. Connect directly to water sources or fire hydrant. Yeah, I'm a really big fan of this. I like that they did not go into, oh, the arm is the hose. Like that's the immediate like thought of where you would go with something like that. But they decided to make it a little different. The arm is the plug, the head is the cannon. I like that a lot. This is a really cool design. It fits in the why it was made. It's a rescuer, Valve Man. This one's really good. I like the general layout too. They made this very easy to understand. So, I'm a very big fan of Valve Man. This is hard. This is really hard. So, Recycle Man is great. The last four, I think, are really awesome, but I also do want another Robot Master woman in the game. But you could easily also design any of these as a woman if Capcom really wanted to. Or design another woman Robot Master to be in the game. I think this one's hard. Cactus Man fits the dual override aspect so well. So well. While Valve Man is just incredibly sick. Juggle Man's cool. I just don't think he's beating the Cactus Man or Valve Man. Those are my two picks. Valve Man and Cactus Man are my picks. I really like these. Cactus Man fits the dual override so well, but the Valve Man just looks great. Yeah, I'm really stuck between those two. I do not know which one I would go with. I do not know which one I would go with at all. I would like I'm ready for them. I'm excited for them to announce the winner. But I think I'm gonna have to go Cactus Man because of the dual override aspect. As much as I love Valve Man, he is super sick. Oh, he is super sick, but I think I'm gonna have to go Cactus Man because the dual aspect just fits into the game so well. So yeah, there are my thoughts on the Mega Man Dual Override Robot Master Contest. I'm excited to see more from this game. Hopefully we see more from this game. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to do during Mega Man Week. We'll see. You'll see more Mega Man content popping up on the channel as well. We'll have highlights from the Mega Man Festival for Sonic Racing Cross Worlds. We've got some Mega Man Arena to do. We're going to play Battle and Chase. We're going to do a few more things. I'm going to pop stuff up on YouTube for those things. So yeah. Those are my thoughts. I'll catch you later.